Most people will be suffering from the stain on top of the steam iron, just like this. Now, these stains are as a result of fabric debris, hemming gum, that drops on the iron body when you are working. So here, I want to show you how you can clean this iron without much scratch on the body, right? So you and I should know no, that your tools should be cleaned regularly and make sure that everything you're doing is on point. So here I will first lose this cover here. You first of all lose this cover right here, right, and do a thorough cleaning. Now the reason is because of there are some particles of dust that will still be inside this area. So I have all this area is not part of what I'm teaching you. So here, you have to get what they call Moko Spirit or any methylated spirit, right? So you get any of it, either Moko or anyone you can lay your hands on. So, but I would prefer you use Moko. Then you get cotton bud or cotton wool rather, cotton wool. You get cotton wool. So now this is cotton wool, right? Cotton wool. Then soak it with the Moko spirit. Soak enough this way, and then you will use it and rub on the body of your iron. You will watch how it will pull off these stains at ease. So you use it and rub off on this body of the iron this way. So now it will kind of soak this iron to anyone that is sticky. It will soak it like you will soak it properly. You see, it's coming off. So you scrub it gradually. You see that it's going off. So it serves as a solvent to remove these things. So you clean as much as you can. So anyone that like this area now that is strong, you can use the blade this way and scrape. By so doing, it's now soft. You know, you scrape, you scrape. So it's something that you will do gradually. So I know that there might be other better ways to do this as well. Like I heard some person said you can use lime to scrub it and to go off. Anyone you can lay your hands on. But the truth here is that you must clean your iron as often as possible. See it, but you see how dirty it is. So this is what you'll be doing. Like you will clean every nooks and cranny of it, at least to make it look like a new one. So this is how you can, clean your iron. So I'll also show you the end result. So you gradually repeat everything. You must not you don't need to plug the iron on light. Like the iron should not be hot so that you can do it effectively. So do the ones you can do right now with the Moko Spirit without iron being hot. So you clean to the best of your ability. So you clean, right? So this is what you would do right around this whole body. Clean gradually. So it will help you wipe off this dirt. So anyone that is sticky, take your blade and carefully scrape that part. Scrape that part just this way. Please scrape that part so carefully. You know, you work on it. So I will show you the results when I am done. So this is what you will do gently until it dissolves and goes off. So here is the final result, and as you can see, the up area is clean enough, unlike before. So I cleaned it all through. At least the iron is a little bit back now. So the down part as well can be used. You can use paracetamol or lime to clean it if you so wish to clean the edges right round. But I think this iron, mine, I think it had another color when it was bought. It was not really this death that did it this way. So this is how it is. So I believe you can try yours and tell me the results in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye for now.